This is a life well lived. Take a good look because I want you to see just what you and your family are missing out on every day. I wanted to have those things too, but I was just too busy providing for my family to even think about starting my own plan B. Are you too busy to start living your best life now? Are you working 40, 50, 60 hours a week, not to mention the commute time every day? Are you missing out those most important milestones in your family too? Hello, my name is Rob Ritter. I'm a semi-retired U.S. Postal Service letter carrier and serial entrepreneur. What if I told you there was a way for you to start building your plan B right now without making any changes to your current routine and without breaking the bank? What if I told you that there was a completely passive way to start building your own done for you autopilot home based business starting right now? Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I've tried that before and it didn't work. Or I just don't have the time to start anything right now because I could barely keep up as it is. I totally hear you and I get it. I was there myself working 60 plus hours a week with little or nothing to show for it. Warren Buffett says if you don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you're going to work until the day you die. Now, there are 4 problems with not starting your plan B right away. Problem 1, you're not getting any younger. Whether you start your plan B now or wait 35 years like I did, you're still going to have the same results because you're going to be older and your plan B and your bucket list will be full of empty promises to yourself and to your family. Problem 2, runaway inflation. Even if you're one of the lucky ones who can save every dime you make over and above what you spend every month, chances are you're never going to stay ahead of inflation. Problem number 3, unpredictable job markets due to increasing instability in almost every sector in the economy and the very real threat of being replaced by AI. With AI literally taking over the planet, long-term employment isn't looking very rosy at the moment. Problem number 4, uncertainty in the world due to political tensions are making the future look less than optimistic than it has in a very, very long time. Now, I'm not a doom and gloom kind of guy, and I know how much you're struggling. I know what it feels like to miss out on those special family moments that you can just never get back, and that really, really sucks. I also know how hard you work with little or nothing to show for it. Rent, taxes, car payments, student loans, insurance, and trying to put money away for your own retirement. You're tired of struggling and you want to start living your best life right now. Now, I can show you just how to do that starting right now. All I'm asking for is your name and email address to continue watching.